Now, as a continuation, I would like to clarify. So, this one in this example is the regular expression. This is the operation between two languages or regular languages. So, this is the resulting language, and this one is the set of strings accepted by the language. So, meaning, kani siya nga set, mo ni siya ang unsay naa sa language. Okay, so that's it. Then, my previous discussion has already introduced the languages of regular expressions. So, mao ni siya nga mga examples dire. Kani siya di ay infinite ni siya since naka-clean star man ang 0 or 1. What I would like to continue in this discussion is um, the precedence level among the operations between languages. So these are used in creating composite regular expressions. So first is when we see a parenthesization, mo na atong unahon. So that is the highest precedence level, which means that we should perform the operations inside parentheses. Okay, next is clean star or the asterisk. So this is the second highest. Then concatenation, the third highest, and lastly, mo ni siya last i-perform ang union or, which is denoted by plus sign. So as an example, we have here a regular expression. So this one is just the same as 0, then or sa 0 and 0 or 1, then clean star, then plus empty string. So as you see, unahon man ang naa sa sud sa parenthesis. So unahon ang 0 or 1. The next is a clean star siya. Ani. Then the next is we concatenate 0. So as you see, naa siya sa sud sa parenthesis. So 0 concatenated with the clean star of 0 or 1. Then the result of this is union with empty string. So this is the same as this operation. Okay, next example is this one. So sa may unahon na to ani og evaluate. So of course, when we have the same operations, we will evaluate from left to right. So in this example, we evaluate first AB, which is inside the parenthesis. Next is, since D or F is inside the parenthesis, so we will evaluate next. The next is, we have AB. Okay, huma naman ang mga parenthesis. We have the clean star. Okay, clean star, AB star. Then next is C star. After that, after clean star, we have the concatenation operation. So ang C star o D or F, ang result sa D or F, mo na sila i-concatenate. So mo na for number 5. And lastly, ang result aning duha kani or with AB star. So last na operation is the union. Okay. So in our example number 3, we will describe the following regular expressions. So these are the regular expressions, and then we will also have strings that represent or that is represented by these regular expressions. Okay, what about 0 star 1? So ang 0 star 1 meaning 0 or more zeros concatenated with 1. Okay, so we can have empty string concatenated with 1 that will result to 1. Then we have 3 zeros concatenated with 1, so 0 0 0 1. 1 0 concatenated with 1 0 1, and so on and so forth. So 0 or more zeros concatenated with 1. So what can we describe, or how can we describe this in English? We can have all strings over the alphabet 0 1 that ends with a 1. Diba, kabantay mo? It always ends with 1. Kaya naman concatenate man jud siya after many zeros. 0 or many zeros. Okay, so or we can say that 0 to the power of n concatenated with 1, where n is greater or equal to 0. Next, for number 2, we have here, diba, unahon na to ang naa sa parenthesis. So 1 0 concatenate, 1 0 concatenate. Then kanin sila i-clean star daan o sa i-concatenate ani. So what can we have here? So 1 0, mag-start kag 1 0, then we can have 0 or many 1 zeros. So mana 1 0 nya, pwede man ni empty string kaning part. So mao na nga 1 0 ra na siya. Or we can have 1 0 and 10 to the power of 1, manang 1 0 1 0. Then we can have 1 0 and 1 0 to the power of 1 2 3 4. So mao ni siya nga string. So in English, it can be described as all strings over 0 1 alternating ones and zeros, starting with a 1 and ending with a 0. You can still describe this in English, or you can have another definition for this regular expression. Next is number 3, 0 or 1 star concatenated with 1 1 1, then concatenated with 0 or 1 star. So as you can remember in our precedence level, unahon na to ang naa sa parenthesis, so 0 or 1. Then unahon po ni 0 or 1 clean star sila after. Then after sunod ana i-concatenate na aning 1 1 1. And remember that concatenation is not commutative, since naaman ni siya sa tunga dapat ni siya sa result aning 0 or 1 star anya 0 or 1 star sa last. Okay, so let's have number 3, strings 1 1 1. Ngano naka-result man ni siya 1 1 1? Since clean star man ni, so pwede empty string ra. So 1 1 1 concatenated empty string concatenated with 1 1 1 ni siya. Unya i-concatenate na pud nimo og empty string ani nga part. So mo na ang result niya is 1 1 1. Another is, since naka-clean star man ni siya, pwede ka maingon 1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 0. So nipili ka ani 0 or 1 ug ka upat. 1 0 1 0 mo ni siya sa 1 0 1 0 ani apart. Then concatenated with 1 1 1. So concatenated with 1 1 1. Okay, so mo ni siya. And lastly, concatenated with empty string. So mo na ning 1 1 1 na ang last. Another is nikuha ka diri og 0. Then 1 1 1. And last, gi-concatenate nimo nikuha na pug ka ani nga part. Kani nga part og 0. So mo na siyang 0 1 1 1 0. So our English description for this is all strings over 0 1 with 1 1 1 as substring. Or the language wherein a string is an element of 0 1 star, clean star, wherein or such that W or the string has 3 consecutive ones. Number 4. This is a bit long. Regular expression. So what can we see here? First is we have 0 or 1 concatenated with 0 or 1 concatenated with 0 or 1. Okay, so this part is you have to clean star that. And then we have another 0 or 1, 0 or 1, concatenate 0 or 1, 0 or 1, clean star. So what can we produce from this regular expression? We can produce an empty string. Ano man? Since naka-clean star man ni siya, so 0 or more nga ing ani, empty string. Or okay, or man ni, or. So pwede diri daw ka mukuha mag-produce og string or diri ka nga part mag-produce og string. Okay. So kani nga part clean star, naka-clean star man sad ni, hindi pwede ka mag-empty string. So mo ni siyang pwede ni siya empty string iyan dawaton. Okay. Next is 0 0 0. Asa ka ni siya gikan? We can get it from here, 0 0 0. Kuha ka ari 0. Concatenate na pug kag isa ka 0. Concatenate na pug kag isa ka 0. So we can have 0 0 0. Another is kanina pod 0 1 0. Asa man ang part? Ari gihapon. So or ni 0. So ikaduha nga nag-or, concatenate na po nimo 1. Then last concatenate na po nimo og 0. Mo na naka-produce kag 0 1 0. How about here? 2 4 6. So kani siya gikan gihapon ni siya ani 0 0 0. Then balik na po 0 0 0. Mo na to 6 na to ka 0. This one same gihapon, diri ra gihapon nga side. 2 4 6 8 kani. So this one we can say that this came here, diri na siya na produce kay 0 0 0 0, upat na ka 0. Another is another round na po 0 0 0 0. So 8 na ka 0. Then here 4 6 8. Kani siya nga string ari gihapon. ngano maingon man kog asa siya gikan diri ba or diri, since naka-or man na, it's either diri ka nag-evaluate or diri ka nag-evaluate to produce this string. So tanawon na to 0 1 0 1. Balik na po 0 1 0 1. Kung diri man good, dili ka ka-produce anang 0 1 0 1. So upat na siya kaparisan. Kay atong tan-awon 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Diri ra man taman. So dili mahuman ang imuhang regular expression. Okay, so I hope you have understood that part. Let's move to the English translation of that regular expression. So unsa may pasabot ani nga regular expression kani siya. So in English, all strings over 0 1 of length that is multiple of 3 or 4, or W is an element of 0 1 star such that the length of W equals 3k or the length of W equals 4k, where k is greater than or equal to 0. So mo na siya English nga description of this regular expression number 4. Now, for our next item, we have here number 5. So, as you can see, it's quite similar to our previous item, number 4. The difference is, as you can see, nakalahi ang pag clean star ani, then pag clean star ani. And for this item, number 5, gikas ara siya clean stars. Kaning both nga naka-union, and then nasa gawas ang clean star. Okay, so as the precedence level says, unahon na to ang nasa sud sa parenthesis. So ang pinakasud ani kani silang mga 0 1 nga nakasud sa parenthesis. 0 1. So after that parenthesization, sunod sa parenthesization is clean star. So, sa sud sa parenthesis, wala pa may clean star diri. Sa sud sa parenthesis. So, unahon na to ang pag-concatenate. Okay. So, ang concatenation, kani sila. Kani nga nagtapad. Kani nakasud sa parenthesis nga nagtapad. Concatenate na sila. Then, another group of concatenation, kani sila. Kani. Na. Then, lastly, dili pa dahil last, second to the last, after sa concatenation, we have union. So, ang kaning na concatenate diri, union with this group nga gi-concatenate. Union. Then, after that, since nahuman na ning naa sa sud sa parenthesis, mo na we can have a clean star operation. Okay, so, tutan-aon, yun sa siya pag-produce. So, we can have empty string since naka-clean star man ni siyang sud. Then, we could also have 1 0 1 0 1 1. So, how does it produce? Kani siya, nikuha dire 1 0 1 0 1 1. Then kani siya 2 4 6 8. So 8 man na, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So nikuha na siya dire. Next one is 2 4 6 8 9. Dire po na nikuha kay multiple of 3 man. Then this one 2 4 6 7. So asa ka na siya nikuha? Diba kani multiple of 3? Kani multiple of 4. So this one, this last string, diri na siya gikan, no? 0 0 1. Nikuha na po siya, diba? First iteration, union man. So or So, nikuha siya diri. Sa sunod nga iteration niya, diri na po nikuha. 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So, ang English description na niya is, all strings of zeros and ones that is not the length of 1, 2, or 5, or we can say in a set builder notation, W is an element of the alphabet 0, 1, clean star, such that W is not an element of 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and the length of W is not equal to 5. Okay? So, last item here. We have 1, 0, 100. Gior. And then, clean star. So, take note nga, unahon jud ninyo ang naa sa sud sa parenthesis o evaluate, usa mo gawa sa parenthesis. So, this one, unahon sa nato ang union, kay naman sa sud sa parenthesis. Usa mag clean star. Which means, for every iteration sa clean star, mukuha ka any of these. 1, 10, or 100. So, example, number 6 nga string, empty string. So, pwede, walay string. Kay 0 or more man ang clean star, di ba? Then, we can get 1 or 10 or 100. And for this one, 100101, diri na siya nikuha. 100. Sunod, 10. Then, 1. Next one is 1011. So, nikuha na siya ni 101, then 1. Then here, 11111. Then, nikuha 1, 2, 4, 5. So, nikuha siya ari kalima. Then, lastly, 100. Siya. So, in English, all strings over 01, alphabet 01 that starts with A1 without 3 consecutive zeros. So, ang inyong bantayan, ana, para maka-describe one in English is the pattern of the strings that are produced by the regular expression. Okay, so, para makahatag mo og unsa nga mga strings nga i-accept ana, ma-describe ninyo in English or set builder notation, mag-produce sa mong mga lain-lain nga strings. Tanaw ninyo ang pattern. Okay?